Good morning and Jai Hind students. Saraswati Shishukunj Vagwala Borsad English Medium. Students, this is a new video of subject EVS Standard 4th. So subject EVS Standard 4th. And students, this is chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter is the story of Amrita. So chapter number 5, the title is the story of Amrita. Students, in this chapter, the story of Amrita, you will going to learn about a beautiful village story, and this story is in real. How the little girl Amrita fights for her friends. So this is an interesting story that you must know it. Before starting the chapter, students, I want to ask you some questions. So listen to me carefully. Have you seen many trees that grow on both sides of the road, on highways and around your house? These trees are taken care by municipal corporation, or some people take their care also. So students, why all these trees, plants and all these are grown on both sides of the roads, and many trees are also grown around your house? Why we need to grow trees? So the simple answer is we need to grow trees because we as human beings, we cannot live without trees. Just students, imagine your life without trees. If trees and plants are there, then human beings can survive, because trees provide us oxygen. They are home to many kind of birds, animals. They purify air, they give us medicine, they help us in firewood. This type of help is provided to us by trees. That is why trees and plants are very important in our lives. Now students, can you imagine that any village in Rajasthan is full of trees and plants? Generally, if we listen a name of Rajasthan, what comes in our mind? The first thing that comes to our mind is that Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan there are very less number of trees. We can find many part is covered with desert. But students, have you heard about one village in Rajasthan where many animals like monkeys, deer, peacocks are roaming in the village, and that village is full of trees and plants? Have you heard or have you imagined this type of village in Rajasthan? No, you haven't heard or imagined. But students, let me tell you that this village is there in Rajasthan. So this is a story of that village, and we have to learn the story of the little Amrita. So this is a chapter's name, The Story of Amrita. So students, let me begin the chapter. This is a true story from long ago. Long ago means before many years back. Almost 300 years ago. In a village called Khejdi. What is the name of that village? The name is Khejdi. Lived Amrita. So Amrita is a little girl child who was living in a village named Khejdi. Where is this Khejdi? Khejdi village is near to Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The village got its name because of the many Khejdi trees that grew there. Why the village got its name Khejdi? Because many Khejdi trees grew there. The people of this village took great care of the plants, trees and animals. So which animals were there that the people were taking great care of? So animals that found there were goats, deer, hares and peacock. This type of animals roamed fearlessly there. Means this type of animals were roaming around in the village without any fear. The people of the village remembered what their elders used to tell them. Means their elders, means their parents, grandparents, they were telling the villagers that they used to say, means the elders, पेड़ है तो हम हैं. Means if there are plants and trees, then there are human beings. If we save plants and trees, then we can also survive. And animals can survive. What was the proverb? अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. Plants and animals can survive without us. Again, let me repeat, this is a very important sentence. Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Because students, you know that we human beings are totally dependent on plants and animals. We eat vegetables and all this. We drink milk, all these things. We take purified oxygen. We take medicines. All these things are provided to us by plants and trees. That is why we have to take great care of them. Now, let's move forward to the story. Our next point is Amrita's friend. Now student, now this is Amrita's friend. Everyone must have one friend like Amrita. So who was Amrita's best friends? That you have to learn. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friends. Who were the friends? Her friends were the trees. Who were her friends? The trees. She would choose a special tree. On each day, she would choose a special tree for the day. She would put her arms around the tree. She would put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper. Trees. So what she whispered to the trees? She whispered, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us," means trees care for us, means human beings. "Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also." So this was the message of Amrita to all the trees. So we also should follow the messages of Amrita to all the trees. We must protect all the plants and trees the way Amrita did. Now students, here let me ask you some questions. Is there a place near your house, school, or along the roadside where trees have been planted? So answer is yes. Trees are planted on the roadside of my house, or wherever you go on highway or any road, both the side of the road you can see many trees that are planted. Next question, were these trees planted by anyone or did they grow by themselves? Answer is some of them grew by themselves and some were planted by men. Next question, why were they planted there? So they were planted to get fruits and shade. Next question, have you seen anyone taking care of the trees? No, nobody looks after them. And the last question, why do you feel they are growing on their own? So answer is nobody has planted the grass or trees. Still they are growing there. So students, I hope you have understood this question and answer. What did you learn? You learned a story about a little girl child named Amrita, who was living in a small village in Rajasthan. The villagers of this Khejdi village, who were very great nature lovers. Nature lovers means they were very fond of nature. Amrita also learned many things from their parents, and she also protected, she also loved nature, means trees and plants. Students, before ending the video, let us quickly go through the answers of worksheet. In the worksheet, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First, blank are called our green friends. So who are called our green friends? So answer is trees. Trees are called our green friends. Second number, the Khejdi tree is found mainly in blank areas. Where these Khejdi trees are found? They are found mainly in desert. Third number blank, trees planted on the roadside are taken care by the blank. So who takes care of the trees that are planted on both sides of the highway? So it is taken care by the municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. So it takes care the trees that are planted on both sides of the road. Now question number 2, give 2 examples of the following. First, plants that are grown in the houses. Which plant that we grow in houses? So rose and mogra. Second number, trees grown along the roadside. Which trees are grown along the roadside? So answer is neem and gulmohar. So answer is neem, gulmohar. Third, plants found mainly in the desert areas. Which plants are found mainly in the desert areas? So plants like cactus and palm trees. And palm. These are found in the desert areas. શું થયું મિસ્ટેક પડી? Now question number 3 is answer the following questions. First question, all of us are dependent on plants. Explain with reasons. So answer is because plants give us oxygen, help to bring rainfall, provides us food, shelter, medicine, etc. That is why because of all these reasons we are dependent on plants. Second number question, why do people plant trees in their houses? So answer, because it makes the air clean and cool. It helps us to control noise pollution also. That is why people plant trees in their houses. Third and last question, why are trees planted along the roadsides? So answer, because it gives shadow to animals and human beings. It also absorbs water that runs over road, and it also prevents soil erosion. So because of this reason the trees are planted along the road sides. I hope you have understood this worksheet. Have a nice day. Thank you.